Hey everybody. So I've taken the liberty of taking this out of the shipping box. We'll do the unboxing together. This is a beautiful piece I've been wanting to have for a while. I've been using some other brands of their veg lights and I'm getting good results, but they were square. They didn't cover the area as well. This piece is 40 inches long, should work perfectly in the 2x4 tent. Let's get to unboxing it. It's called an X80. It's heavy in the blue spectrum, so it's really good for veg. We're going to open this beast. What I really like, and I can't wait to experiment with, is that all of the kind LED lights allow you to mount the driver outside of the tent. Well, we always have heat issues. I'm looking forward to having the opportunity to try to move the heat to the outside of the tent. So with it comes a normal power cord and also the extension cord for the driver if you want to mount it outside of the tent, and some basic directions. Online, I already checked out the online stuff. They have really extensive information on it. So let's give it a look. Looks pretty nice. So yeah, it looks like two simple Phillips screws to remove the driver. And then you can position this outside of the tent with the 3-foot extension that you have right here, which is what I'm going to do to experiment with that right away. Obviously, two sliders, so we can mount that with the two ratchets that they sent. Pretty excellent. Nice piece. So we'll be hooking that up tomorrow. That'll be the first piece for the veg state, and I'm also going to use it for my seedlings and see how that goes. So that is the Kind LED X80, the 40-inch model. We'll hook it up tomorrow, see how it goes.